If you'd like to use the narration tool, first check your microphone and speaker input and output devices using these settings and microphone and speaker drop-downs. Then enter the VR to record your narration. Hello and welcome to syGlass Academy. Today we are talking about the narration tool, which is represented by a microphone in the toolbar. When you click on the narration tool, the first thing you'll notice is the microphone feedback. These little bars on the top of your controller notifies you that you're capturing voice as you speak. Open the menu and look at the tool settings menu for the narration tool. You'll see a play, stop, and record button. To use the narration tool, we're going to first hit the record button and close the menu. So now what I can do is take the data, scale it, move it around, cut into it. I can open the menu and mess with the visualization settings. And while I'm doing that, what the narration tool is doing is recording my voice and movement so that I am able to give a lecture or explain something and record it for someone else to watch. Open the menu and stop the recording. You'll see there's a list of recordings that pops up in the menu. I'm just going to first jump away from the data here and get a different perspective on it. Then I'm going to open my menu or use my radial menu to press play. What this is going to do is play back the recording of the narration that we just made. And you can see that I'm in a different perspective here because my controllers change color on the top. And say I'm a student and I'm watching this lecture and I want to take a look at the data while the lecturer is explaining it. I can simply pull up my radial menu on my narration tool and press pause. And then grab the data away and look at it, expand it, go right inside of it before giving it back to the narrator. So the data goes right back where it left off simply by pressing play again. And you can interact while you learn. Thank you.